Are you concerned about sustaining performance without shipping your generator worldwide, avoiding logistics risks and extra carbon footprint? Especially in remote areas? Even in extreme environments? Where an overhaul seems complex, time-consuming, almost impossible, with long downtimes for your generator set. We step in. Every 6 years, depending of the wear stage, the factory comes to you with our one-stop workshop Care2Gen. Our workshop, housed in a standard container, transports all the equipment needed to perform maintenance close to your site to minimize downtime. It has a high-temperature oven. It also functions as a heat-curing oven and includes an integrated paint booth, a wastewater collector, and adapts to the available power sources on your site, wherever it is deployed. Compared with shipping alternators off-site, this delivers a lower carbon footprint and ensures the immediate availability of your generators once refurbishment is complete. Once installed, we take care of the entire process. Electrical and mechanical removal of the generator, disassembly of the generator, inspection of windings and mechanical parts, high-temperature curing, application of a new varnish on all coils. The Care2Gen easily reaches 90 degrees Celsius, event with a -20 degrees Celsius outside temperature. Our most requested options are on-site lifting and handling with a 20-ton portable gantry, audit and modernization of the excitation systems, digitization, regulation, full commissioning and on-site testing. Care2Gen, the ideal low-carbon solution for maintenance in isolated or under-equipped locations.